since Wike is not workers friendly. He didn't pay every month. He didn't pay the gratuity every month. But since Sim came, he has been trying. As far as I know, Sim is the only governor that is trying for civil servants. He supports civil servants a lot. 100,000 to workers and pensioners. All what we, the pensioners, are saying now is that we beg His Excellency TINUBU to release our dear loving governor, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara. We want him. Sir TINUBU, we beg you. Please, President, release our governor for us. Release our governor for us. We are very sad. We are not sleeping. We are very, very sad. Release him, please. Sim is the best governor we've ever had in this river state. His number 2 is not there. Please, we beg you, our darling President, TINUBU, please release him for us, our governor. Thank you very much.